Sam here with Sam's Mobile Locksmith, and I just want to show you a pretty cool way to carry your Wingman, a Leatherman. If you have a Leatherman Wingman or any type of folding knife and you just want to carry it on your person, you know, because you never know when you're going to need it for something, to open something, or to, in this case, use like the pliers, or these are so cool because these ones even have scissors, believe it or not. See, like little scissors. And this locks in place and you can literally cut stuff. See, it's pretty cool. I'll show you. And then if you need a knife, I need to sharpen this knife because the tip broke off. Someone actually gave me, I was on a job and this really nice lady, she actually gave me this Leatherman. So this is Leatherman company, but this is the Wingman model, but she actually gave it to me. She was like, here, you can have it for doing such a good job. And so thank you to the nice lady customer out there that gave this to me about free. Anyway, so I figured out something cool, a good way to carry it. And you're looking at it. All you do is you get your belt, right? And you literally just make a little niche in it like that. And I've been carrying it like this ever since the lady gave it to me. And in order to put it on, you just slide it in there like that. And then you put it through like that. But actually first what I do is I slide it through. I'll show you something else, because you can take your belt off too. Like, so say you want to take your belt off, so you can take it off and it won't fall off. Like, it's part of your belt, slip, right? So you don't ever have to worry about losing it. And you can put your belt on every day, just like so. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm not trying to get sidetracked or anything. 1 second. It's always interesting trying to put your belt on. Anyways, and you want to loop that under like that, or just slide that under like that. Just put your belt on normally. Put your belt on one leg at a time, like everybody. I know, there's no legs in the belt. I'm just kidding. All right, so, and then you latch it like this, just like so. Goes through that like that. And then this also acts as like a protector. So this right here, once you latch it through here, like this, it holds it. So that way, if you're running, if you're rolling, whatever you're doing, if you bump up against a car, like I unlock a lot of cars, right? So I don't gotta worry about this scratching the metal on the car, because this actually acts as like a leather protector. It's really cool. And then if you need to pull it out real quick, all you do is just pull it out, just like that. Bam. Then when you get done using it, really quick, it literally just slides right back in there, just like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.